Hi again, a logarithmic equation, log base 9, the cubic root of x squared minus 1 all squared equals 1/3. We want to solve for x. To be able to solve for x, few things you need to know. You need to know how to change from logarithmic form to exponential form. So a raised to the power of b equals x. That's one thing you need to know. And you need to know how to change from radical form to exponential form. And these are the two rules that you need. So let's go to this. What we're going to do with this, we're going to start getting rid of the log. That's the first thing we want to do. So this here, all of this, the cube root of x squared minus 1 all squared equals 9 raised to the power of 1/3. Okay, I'm going to change this from radical form to exponential form using the second rule there. So this will be x squared minus 1 all to the power of 2/3 equals 9 to the 1/3. I want to get rid of that 2/3, so I'm going to multiply this by the reciprocal 3/2, and I'm going to do the same thing, multiply this by 3/2. Now this will cancel, and then have x squared minus 1 equals 9. The 3 will reduce with the 3, so you have 9 to the power of 1/2, and that's x squared minus 1. Remember, anything to the power of 1/2 is the same as the square root of that number. So basically this means the square root of 9, which is 3. Now x squared equals 4, and therefore x equals plus or minus 2 square rooting both sides basically. And now if you sub in the -2 here, you still get a positive number. And remember, we cannot log a negative number. So both numbers here will result in a positive number here. So both of these numbers will be accepted. We don't have any extraneous roots. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.